Oh, hi, you caught me doing one of my favorite things other than gardening, and that's reading about gardening. And if you love gardening and books as much as I do, you'll want to join me for the Garden Book Party on Thursday, March 24th. That is a virtual event online that anybody anywhere can join us for. It is free and it's sponsored by the National Garden Bureau and GardenCom, the Association for Garden Communicators. I'll be your host, and I'm going to introduce you to the authors of 4 great gardening books. We're going to talk about the tips they're sharing in those books, some great gardening knowledge, maybe answer a few questions and give away a few prizes. You won't want to miss it, and I'll let you know how to sign up at the details down below. Happy gardening!